Today let's talk about how to make laminate. Now we are starting from our famous brand Wilsonart.
The known as laminate has been part of our surroundings for decades. With resins.
Actually, the HPDL means that high pressure decorative laminate. It consisted three main materials. One is overlay. The second is decorative papers. Actually, it's under the overlay. The third is the core papers. The core papers normally are craft paper. Actually, is yellow color and have a lot of color, different the overlay and the decorative colors. From this the construction, you can find the pressed together.
Then pressing them under high heat, fusing the layers into a single sheet. Surprisingly, a sheet of laminate is only 30% resin. The rest is actually paper.
Overlay and decorative paper.
This is the area where we act.
Now from here, this is the first step: overlay and decorative papers. So
this is the area where we add melamine resin for the surface of the laminate to increase the scratch and scuff resistance of the product. Melamine is a part of the product that's on the very top surface.
melamine treated wear layer.
Resistance of the laminate, and it improves the overall clarity of the laminate and the look and the durability of the product. Melamine resin is a liquid plates and cups that you can buy in the store. It's that same type of material on the final product.
Now let's fast, okay? Because
in abstract and they paper, we can they can either put them up when they're sheeted or treated. The employee stops what he's doing. They add the thicknesses.
the phenolic process. Now let's talk about this. This here, let's stop it. And we know that actually the glue used for the HPL are normally phenolic glue. But many manufacturers, because market, maybe they use the EMA or melamine. It's not a phenolic actually. So that's why you can see, the appearance and everything's the same, but why the price difference so big? So now we can understand why, because you use different glue. The core papers, and also the core papers are actually two different too. Imported paper, domestic paper, even the domestic paper, they have different quality standards. They use the fresh, fresh paper. Some they use recycled paper. The price difference is too big, and the quality of course too big. Melamine treated wear labor, decorative paper.
So you have the decorative side, the design portion. The area through the phenolic/porcelain
Phenolic treated.
is where we build up.
Here we can see the phenolic treated craft paper. Number of sheets wears by production.
Those layers using craft paper. Craft paper is what depicts the thickness of the laminate depending on how many layers that you use. So when you're talking about core, this can also relate to here this particular resin system in the
Pressing and sanding. Pressing and sanding. The final steps is pressing and sanding.
Business.
See.
When I first started, we used to use a paper. It's a bit. Between each plate is actually 2 sheets of laminate that is getting produced. We do that 8 times, so that creates 1 sandwich. And we do that 24 times per press.
So now we can understand.
And at the end of the day or end of the hour,